Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. Today we would be solving a few questions on general aptitude from the GATE examination. The question is, a couple has two children. The probability that both children are boys if the older one is a boy is. Now, the couple can have two children in four ways. That is BG, BB, GB, GG. So, if you'll analyze this, the probability that both children are boys if the older one is boy is, so the favorable cases which would come out is this one and this one. If you assume the alphabet on the first to be the elder one and the alphabet which is second to be the younger one, so the required probability is 2 by 4, that is half. Option C is the correct answer. The next question is, P looks at Q while Q looks at R. P is married, R is not. The number of people in which a married person is looking at an unmarried person is option A 0, option B 1, option C 2, and option D cannot be determined. Now in this question, we do not know the marital status of Q. So initially, let Q be married. Let this be our case 1. That is, Q is married. Now, P looks at Q. So married, looking at married, not considered. Q looks at R, married, looking at unmarried. This is considered. Therefore, the count is 1. And for case 2, let us assume Q to be unmarried. Now when P looks at Q, it is married, looking at unmarried. So this is considered. And Q looks at R. This is unmarried. Looking at unmarried. This is again not considered. So the count in this case is also 1. Therefore, the correct option is option B. In both the cases, irrespective of the marital status of Q, the answer will be 1.